I have completed multiple courses on Microsoft Excel like data analysis, data visualization and dashboard with Excel. But this Excel course is for absolute beginners. If you have no or very little experience to Microsoft Excel, I guarantee if you completely watch the video and follow along, you will learn everything you need to know about the basics of Excel. Also, you don't need to worry about the version of Excel you have in your PC. This video is right for you. These are bit-sized lessons so you can practice after each video. I want you people to fully understand this course. So based on each video or lecture of the course, I have also compiled a quiz. To get a free PDF of the quiz, just go to the description of the video and get your PDF from the Google Drive link. After the video, complete the quiz and mention your score in the comment section. My name is Muhaimen. This is the first lecture of Excel for beginners. In this video, you will learn following topics: Excel welcome screen, basics of spreadsheet, what's a range, what are sheets, what are tabs, and some more Excel functions. Our first topic is Excel welcome screen. To open Excel, just go to Start menu and type Excel and click on the icon. This is the welcome screen of Excel. I'm using Microsoft 365 version of Excel, so depending on the version of Excel you have on your PC, it might look like a little bit different. On the left side you have Home, New and Open. In Home we have a blank workbook and some basic tutorials of Excel. If you scroll down a little, you can see recommended for you, and they are recommended based on your activity. Upon scrolling again, I can see my recent files. Next, if we go to New, I have the option to create a blank workbook, and below this there are hundreds of templates to choose from, and you can also search for templates. In the Open button, I can open workbooks from my cloud storage and also from my PC. Our second topic is basics of a spreadsheet. For this tutorial, let's go to Home and just open a blank workbook. Before doing anything, just understand the basics of a spreadsheet. Whenever you open a blank workbook, you will always see sheet 1 at the lower left, and you can create multiple sheets, and these multiple sheets collectively called a workbook. Right now my workbook has only one sheet. In Excel, a sheet is made up of columns like A, B and C and so on. Whenever I select a letter in a column, the entire column gets selected. We also have rows in Excel like 1, 2, 3 and so on. Each column in Excel is mentioned by its letter and each row is mentioned by its number. The intersection of column and row is what we call a cell. If I select the first cell in Excel, this cell is the intersection of column A and row 1, and so known as cell A1. If I select this cell is B3 and this cell is D6. You can see the cell number in the name box. And when you click on a cell, the cell becomes active. Our third topic is range. If I select a group of cells in Excel with the cursor, this is a range. A range is a collection of cells which are grouped together. If I select A1 cell and drag it to select the group of cells in Excel, this is a range. You can see that when I select a range and keep on holding the left mouse button, the Excel shows me how many rows and columns I have selected, and when I leave the mouse button, it shows me the cell from I dragged. So in Excel, I have selected from the range of A1 to D7. In Excel, you can say A1 through D7. Our fourth topic is sheets. What are sheets in Excel? Everything in Excel is done on a sheet or spreadsheet. You can add multiple sheets by clicking this plus sign. Now I have sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. The collection of the sheets collectively called a workbook. When you right click on a sheet, you have different options like insert, delete, rename and much more. We will cover this in later part of the course. Our next topic is tabs. What are tabs? Tabs are very important in Microsoft Excel. So it is very important to understand the tabs. Whenever you open a sheet in Excel, you will notice tabs, and by default the Home tab is selected, and there are also multiple tabs in Excel which are Insert, Page Layout, Formulas and other tabs. If you select a tab, the tools available in each tab changes, and the tools in each tab collectively called as ribbon, and each ribbon is divided into groups. If I click on Home tab, the first group is Clipboard, second is Font, third is Alignment, and they are separated by a line. Each group in the ribbon cannot show all the options. By default, they only have such options which are used mostly. So if I click on the little arrow which is a launch button, One thing you will notice that not all the groups have this little arrow because they have all the options in front of us. If you click on the arrow key of the font group, it will open a new window within Excel with more options like numbers, alignment, font, border. Our final topic for the lecture 1 is more Excel options. In Microsoft Excel, we also have different features like a zoom slider. You can zoom in and out and it will not affect your sheet or your data within a sheet. Just on the left side of zoom slider, you have different views button like normal view, page layout view and page break view. But majority of the Excel users like me use Excel in normal view. In Excel, there is a very special bar which is called formula bar. This is a place where you will enter or edit your formulas in Microsoft Excel. Once again, try to solve the quiz. The link of the quiz is in the description box. At the end of the video, I just want to save my Excel file. For this, I'll just go to File, click on Save, click Browse and save it to a folder. Thank you.